English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. The Roman Empire stretched many continents. The student walked out remembering his pen. I organize my day using a planner. He scheduled the meeting the morning. She is reading a science article. The ball rolled the goalpost. The books are the shelf. We will have a break 15 minutes. He arrived the airport early. I paid cash for the groceries. He walked the door. The keys are the couch. Upon a time, there was a princess. Finish the project 2 weeks. I can't live my phone. She remained calm the criticism. All tasks must be completed the deadline. His knowledge in science is my expectations. The campaign was active the entire region. Applications must be submitted the online portal. Dash his job, he volunteers on weekends. Dash emergency, call this number. Dash last year, this year's profits are higher. They traveled, dash business last week. Dash his dedication, he was promoted quickly. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.